Good Tuesday evening, Southeast Texas. The bottom line is above normal temperatures, both on highs and lows through the next 7 days. Even though we have 3 cold fronts, they'll knock temperatures down a little bit, but still above normal. And Friday morning, low temperatures could be, there's your normal line, could be 20 degrees above normal in the mid-60s. That's what our normal high is supposed to be this time of year. And the same thing happens by next Monday, and high temperatures running anywhere between about 3 and 12 degrees above normal through the next 7. Don't see anything heavy as far as rainfall for the next 7 days. Modeling takes most of the rain, the heaviest activity, off towards the north of our area and northeast, with an inch or less across southeast Texas. We'll see how that flies. Cold front on the way to southeast Texas this evening, and it will stall out in the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow morning and then lift back to the north as a warm front tomorrow evening. Ridge of high pressure says not going to get much cooling out of this cold front, and when the next disturbance comes on through, which is over and towards the Pacific, eastern Pacific, it was forecast to move on in to our area, at least north of the area, I should say, Friday. So with most of the energy and dynamics north of our area, don't expect much in the way of a cool down, and we're back to a ridge of high pressure. Ridge of high pressure means warming and mainly quiet weather conditions until our next storm system barrels on through the area, again, mainly north as we head towards next Monday. So a series of disturbances. We'll keep rain in the forecast, but I don't see anything real heavy at this point. So the front coming on through this evening across southeast Texas, that'll mean the clouds do too, maybe a sprinkle or two. I think high or low temperatures tomorrow morning could get down into the lower 50s in the lakes area. I'm going to go in the mid 50s here in the triangle with winds out of the northeast becoming east and then back to the southeast as that front begins to lift back to the north. We'll see high temperatures mid 60s lakes and into the upper 60s in the triangle above normal. On the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see easterly winds at 10 to 15 knots, water temperature 54. Our forecast tonight, mostly cloudy. Again, maybe a sprinkle. Lows in the lower 50s lakes, mid 50s triangle. Then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid to upper 60s. Winds will be out of the northeast in the morning, turning back to the southeast in the afternoon. May see fog tomorrow night as that front, warm front, moves through the area. We'll go to 30% coverage on Thursday, back into the 70s on Thursday afternoon. Friday, our next cold front moves on in during the evening. I think we'll get in the lower 70s with about a 50% coverage of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. Again, it's a weak one. Not much of a cool down coming up Saturday. Saturday night, that front backs to the north as a warm front. So again, that's telling us that we've got a series of disturbances moving through and that these fronts are really not that strong. A 30% coverage back into the 70s on Sunday, Monday in the 70s, and about a, say, 50% coverage of showers and storms with that next cold front, which will hopefully bring us some dry weather by Tuesday with sun. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com. Stay safe. Have a fantastic Tuesday evening.